Hi everyone, my name is Miss Nicole and I'm going to show you an art project today. We're going to make a lantern with curved lines. Now if you've taken an art class with me at your home or seen any of my videos, you may have done different kinds of lines with me. So we're going to review some kinds of lines before we do our project. I'm going to show you them now. Our first type of line is straight lines. These are wavy lines. These are looped lines. These are scalloped lines. These are spiral lines. And these are curved lines. So we're going to use curved lines today for our project. So I'm going to talk a little bit more about curved lines. Okay, so my first question for you is, can you see the curved lines on this lantern? I'm going to give you a minute to look. Okay, now that we've looked at the lantern, I'm going to kind of trace over the curved lines to show you where they are. So those are some of the curved lines on this lantern. We're going to look at some more lanterns now. Okay, so let's look at more lanterns. My question for you about these lanterns is, are they the same or are they different? Let's take a minute to think. They are all different. So all these lanterns are different. So you can use curved lines to draw your lantern however you want. You can make it however you want with all the different colors and different kinds of curved lines. And I'm going to show you how we can draw it on the computer now. Okay, so we're going to use a program that we used before in another video. This program is called Paint. So what I'm going to do to get my curved lines is I am going to click right here where it says brushes. We can draw with different kinds of brushes. Now I just want some nice solid lines for this one, so I'm going to click the brush, the regular brush. Okay, so all I have to do is click my mouse and hold it down, and I can draw some curved lines. And if you want to make your lamp a different color, the colors are up here. You might be interested in making a purple lamp, so you can draw some lines with purple, or maybe green. So those are how you make curved lines with our paint program. So now you can use those curved lines to draw your own lantern with the paint program, and you can send it to me if you want to show me what you make. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.